The dynamic voice recognition system in your Hyundai allows you to use your voice and active Bluelink account to control vehicle functions,
Route overview.
find and navigate to points of interest,
Go home.
and even obtain stock, weather, and sports information.
When is the next full moon?
The moon will be a full moon on October 28th.
The feature uses cloud-based AI to respond to natural speaking phrases. Dynamic voice recognition requires an active Bluelink subscription for advanced voice recognition features and stock, weather, and sports information. If you don't have an active Bluelink subscription, many of the voice recognition features in this video will not be available. The VR button on the steering wheel provides access to both dynamic voice recognition and smartphone functions for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A short press on the button gives access to dynamic voice recognition, and a long press on the button will access smartphone functions. To use dynamic voice recognition, use a short press on the VR button and speak naturally,
What time is it in Chicago?
ensuring that the onboard microphone can hear you. If it's your first time using dynamic voice recognition, you may want to see a list of some of the commands you can use. Press the VR button and say "Help."
Help.
Here are some available commands.
And you'll see a list of many of the commands you can use. Vehicle control commands can allow you to control features such as climate settings,
Turn climate control on.
trunk or liftgate, seat warming and ventilation. You can bring up menu settings to quickly access them, and tune to different stations or music sources.
Tune to FM.
For navigation, you can search for points of interest.
Find a kid-friendly pizza place near me that's open.
Please say the line number.
And then navigate to them. You can also command it to go to a preset destination.
Go home.
Set home as the destination.
Yes.
And even obtain information on stocks,
The S&P 500 closed at 4288 May yesterday.
weather,
Is it gonna rain tomorrow?
Yes, it should start raining on October 1st in Fountain Valley.
and sports results.
The Las Vegas Raiders are playing the Los Angeles Chargers tomorrow, October 1st at 1:05 p.m.
As a reminder, you need an active Bluelink subscription for dynamic voice recognition to work, and you also need to be in an area with connectivity to Bluelink. If Bluelink isn't connected or activated, different commands will be necessary, and some commands may not be functional. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at myhyundai.com, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to explore the how-to guides at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.